Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 6th of September 2024. US Dow Jones decreased 0.54%, settling the day at 40,755.75, while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,127.66, raising 0.25%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 36,544.70, and Hang Seng is trading at 17,444.30. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 25,133, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII sold 688.69 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 2,970.74 crore in the last trading session. IKEA aims for 100% EV logistics coverage in India by 2025. Adani Enterprises announces early closure of 800 crore rupees NCD issue, to close on Friday. Now talking about global aspects, dollar wallows at one-week low as payrolls test looms large. Eyeing robust returns, the US nudging pension funds to invest in India. WTI fell 5 cents, at $69.15 a barrel, and Brent fell 1 cent, to $72.69 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 101.01. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.11%, down. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices experienced profit booking after a positive start, despite stability in the US markets setting a favorable tone for a potential rally in India. However, there is no room for a breakout, taking the benchmark indices to a further high. Elevated levels will attract fee selling, which will keep the rally moderate. As a result, key indices closed in the red with minor losses, with the Sensex finishing at 82,201.16 and the Nifty at 25,145.10. Outlook for the day. Nifty has recently taken a retracement near 25,300, signaling a potential continuation of range-bound trading. A decisive break above 25,350 could open up upside potential towards 25,600. On the downside, the 25,050 level is expected to act as key support, with a breach below this level possibly leading to targets around 24,800. The overall trend remains bullish, making a buy on dips strategy favorable. Nifty Bank has been consolidating within a tight range. A breakout above 51,800 could drive the index towards 52,300, while a failure to hold support at 51,200 may result in a decline towards 50,800. With the prevailing bullish sentiment, a buy on dips strategy continues to be favorable in this market setup. Stocks on the radar are bullish view, ACC, Titan, Boss, Coforge, IPCA Lab. Bearish view, Chambal Fertilizer, Dixon, Bell, Deepak, Tech Mahindra. Our chart of the day is bullish on LIC Housing Finance. Trade of the day: LIC Housing Finance, buy at 700 to 707. Stop 687. Target 745. Aggressive targets at 728. Rationale: momentum catch up. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.